So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit different from my other videos, but we're going to be showing you guys how to check the brake pads and the brake discs and to check if they've worn out or not. So we're going to be showing you guys a few steps on how you can do this without removing your wheel. So my bro Yed is a mechanic at Mercedes-Benz, so he's going to be
guys at
yeah, that's him. So you know, he owns this AMG, so he's gonna show you guys a few techniques on how to check your brake pads and discs. So yeah, I'll let him take over and hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, subscribe guys.
First of all, you come towards your alloys. As you can see, the disc is there. You have to run your fingers through the disc like this, like that. Yes, just like that. Your hands can get a bit dirty. If it's smooth and doesn't have no bumps, then you're right, you don't have to change it. But if it's bumpy, then you should go to your local mechanic and ask them, you know, does it have to be replaced or not anytime soon. And that's about it. And if you want to know about the pads, you can find out in the next video. Support my guy AJ. Click the like button, guys. Come on.